Gosh, guys, I just thought of something brilliant that I know people have taken, but it's gonna be cool. Okay, so I have gathered a thing of balls. I know it's not that many, but who cares? Balls. What in the world is a dart in there? Okay. Now I'm afraid to do it, but it's gonna be awesome! Woo! Ah! Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, Tony, go down. Go. Stay. No cats come up. Okay. So you ready? Tiger dude. Okay. Do it. Help. Oh. Fail. Oh my god.